Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on Synchrony Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a mysynchrony.com and press enter. At the official web page of Synchrony Bank, you can see the option of login on top right corner. You click on it. Here you will be redirected to the another page where you need to provide your account credential, that is your username and password. Then click on login where you will get logged in into your online banking account of Synchrony Bank. As we are going to get registered, you need to click on the link given below, that is I want to register. You click on register. For the account registration, you need to go with the 4 steps, that is account lookup, verification, profile setup and confirmation. At very first, you need to go through account lookup. For that, you need to provide your account number. Now you provide your last 4 digits of SSN, that is social security number. Now you provide your date of birth. After you provide all the details, you need to click on continue where you will be redirected to the another page or the another step, that is verification. In verification process, you will need to verify your identity as a user. Once you have been verified, you will be moved to the another process, that is profile setup. Here you will need to set up the profile for yourself for the banking. Once all the detail has been filled in, you need to go through the confirmation step. That is the very last process. Once you are confirmed, you will have yourself the online banking account on Synchrony Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for an online banking account on Synchrony Bank. Thank you.